Okay. Let's go over a punctuation mark that often gets overlooked, the colon. And no, not the body part. I'm talking about the two little dots that can help make your writing clearer. So when do we use a colon? Think of a colon as a spotlight. It tells the reader, hey, something important is coming next. Check out this sentence. There are 3 things you need for the trip, colon. Sunscreen, snacks, and water. See how the colon can introduce a list? That's one of its most common jobs, setting up a list after a complete sentence. Watch how we use a colon in this next sentence to introduce something important. There's only one rule in my class, colon. Always do your best. Here, the colon introduces something important, a key idea or explanation. It's like a drum roll before the big reveal. Notice that what follows the colon is a complete sentence. Always do your best. So we have to capitalize the A in always. Here's another example of when we introduce something important, but this one is slightly different. See if you notice the difference. She had one dream, colon. Lowercase, to become a famous writer. Notice that what comes after the colon isn't a complete sentence, but rather a phrase, to become a famous writer. Because it's a phrase and not a complete sentence, we keep the first letter after the colon lowercase. So remember, use a colon when you're about to introduce a list, an explanation, or something important. Just make sure you have a complete sentence before the colon. Okay, that's it. Next time you're writing, try to introduce a list or an important idea using a colon. See you around.